think we're ready. Let's go. Forgot to press the button. Sorry, guys. So we're ready. We just cast this. Let's cut it. There we go. That's it. Let's let it cool off. Let's try these, see how they did. While the orange does kick, and definitely is an orange candy, you can feel a twist. It's not that you can feel the cinnamon. It's a very small amount of cinnamon. I deliberately chose to use a small amount of cinnamon, but it does give a twist to the flavor. So it's not a mix of cinnamon and orange or orange and cinnamon. It's an orange with a twist. So it's really, really nice. I love it. First time for me. Never tried it before. Really good one. Right, let's pack it up. Right, got a jar. We're going to pack it. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a nice day. I'll see you soon.